Hello everyone, every instruction I share in this video has been validated by the mechanics with me, so don't worry, we'll solve this together. When your Toyota throws the message front active spoiler malfunction, the first thing you think is, did my front spoiler break? Relax. It's not always catastrophic. What the car is really saying is that the system that moves the front spoiler actively isn't working as it should, so your computer detects something isn't right and triggers the alert. This spoiler raises or lowers depending on speed or cooling, so if it doesn't move, the system gets nervous. Many mechanics tell me the most common cause is the small motor that moves the spoiler, which can sometimes burn out or get stuck. For example, after a heavy car wash, snow, or just over time, the motor may not retract or deploy the spoiler properly, and that's when the message appears. It's like your Toyota saying, "I'm not sure this is working right, better warn the driver." Before spending money on a replacement, there's a trick many mechanics recommend. Check the fuse and clean the connections. In some cases, the message appears simply because a blown fuse or loose connector makes the system lose communication with the spoiler motor. Cleaning and reconnecting can fix the problem without needing a shop. If that doesn't work, the next step many try is to inspect the spoiler motor physically. Some mechanics even disconnect or secure it so it doesn't move, and surprisingly, the message disappears on certain models. It's not the official fix, but it works if you just want the warning to stop while deciding whether to replace the part. For those who want the more official route, taking it to the dealership and replacing the spoiler motor is the guaranteed way to fix the problem. Many report that if the vehicle is still under warranty, Toyota covers the motor even if there's no visible physical damage since it's considered a premature system failure.